have you with us. I wanted to get a sense that since the markets have become a little wobbly of late, what we are seeing is the heightened volatility. Where do you see the SIP trend going ahead? Though it has been growing one way upwards, but there has been a little bit of slowdown in terms of the incremental growth. In the recent past, has there been any change that we have witnessed in the SIP inflows, or rather some shift that has been there in terms of the allocation?
It's too early to tell. I mean, if you look at the tide, it started turning in October from a market point of view and narrative point of view. If you look at the monthly equity flows into industry, they've broadly been the same. In fact, I think January, the industry probably has got more than 40,000 crores of equity flows. Certainly, our numbers were the same in January as they were in October, November. Uh, I think, look, there are two parts to it. SIP long term, I think will continue to be structural. I mean, I argue that India will have a 1 lakh crore SIP book as we come to the end of the decade. Now, could you see 5 to 10% froth in this number? Yes. Are you seeing that froth yet? It's or that froth coming off? It's a little too early to tell. One thing that is interesting is the 1 year return on SIP is now more flat. I think investors are maturing. They're becoming a lot more long term. But as I said, it's too early to tell. One thing I think that you're seeing is that maybe large NFOs that used to happen, they're getting a little smaller. So that's the first sign of impact, if any, that you're seeing.